$1.50 for that.
Hey, it's not time to go, buddy. Come on, Bubba.
$1.50 for something that would. Look at these. Very good, but $1.50 for that. That would cost maybe 90 cents at the Dollar General. Hey, Dollar General. Yeah, $1.50 for that. It's like a bunch of thieves. I'll give you some subtitles to give you real commentary. That would probably cost 50 cents at a Dollar General, and 2 for $1. That would cost that would probably cost 90 cents. Same as the Sun Chips, that would probably cost 85, 90 cents at Dollar General. Along with all that. Each of those items. That would probably cost 90 cents too. What a ripoff. That's what they charge you, $1.50. Bunch of fucking thieves. Rat shit. Yeah, right, you want to pay high prices for shit like that? Go to 7-Eleven. Or a bar or whatever. Yeah, $1.50 for a candy bar. At the local firing range. I could probably get the same one for the same Snickers. For $1. I don't know, what the fuck.